Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to find out who paid on your online store, but for instance, in this thing we want to show you who paid. You would refund them or you send them the product. In some payment gateways, I'm using PayFast. It could be also a problem in PayPal, whereby a client, when he tries to purchase something on your store, what happens is like verification. Some PayFast does sometimes 3 times when they try to purchase. Then the first time, the second time, whatever. So it happens like it shows like WooCommerce shows like the purchase was cancelled. So but there, by the payment gateway, the money goes through. So when it goes through, it goes to your account, or your account. So then these guys from the payment gateway, after some couple of days, they come in and they want to do what? They give you money. They pay you on your account. So once they pay on your account, you didn't receive any email in your email to show that this person purchased something. Then, and the person, sometimes some guys, they don't put anything on their online stores, so they don't put something like forms whereby a client can call and say, guys, I paid whatever. So now what happens, you just see money in your account, so you don't know what did they buy, who bought it, and stuff like that. So I got into that situation, so I'm still fixing up some stuff, but now I managed to see how to find out who bought. So one person bought something which was even I went to the holiday, so I forgot to put off to take some products which are out of stock, to put them out of stock. So what happened, I did leave them the way they were. So now somebody purchased, I don't have a product, and I have to refund them, and also the payment gateway already, they charge me money. So now let's go in and see who paid. So I was struggling to see who paid. So what happens here, I received a message from PayFast, and it's here, PayFast, you can see. Then they say a payout has been created on PayFast with the following details. You get me? So this is what they did. They give you this, whatever, the number, whatever they say, then everything is what, then they put in this money. So I see this money, but I don't know who paid, because I never received any email confirming the purchase order that it was completed. So now I had to go and check out who did this, who paid, and I have to, if I have a product, then I ship it to them. If I don't have a product, then I have to refund them. This person paid 500, so but here I see 467. So this is your loss, which is my loss. I'm saying that's why we have to follow up on two things. If the item is not there, you're going to pay for what? Not updating. So these guys, once they process, you cannot say the client bounced the order, or the order I did not give it there, so they're gonna charge you here. So they charge me some percentage here, which they took that money, and it's too much money according to me. So now I don't want to see that happening again. And the client, I only knew after 5 days, because these guys, they take time to put in money in the account. So it took 5 days. Then I didn't know the client can't contact you and everything. So now what I want to do, I'm gonna go to pay, or go to your online store, go to the back end, and go to WooCommerce. And once you mouse roll over on that WooCommerce, you're gonna see orders. Click on orders. So once you click on orders, it's gonna open. So once it opens, you're going to see the orders. So there's an order on the 23rd. Today is the 7, so 5 days. So now what happens here, 4 days, something like that. Now what happens here, it says that it was cancelled. So what is going to go on here, you go to payout. Then after that, you do what, you check this order number. You must get the order number here. It should be PayFast, whatever. It should give you something small. Okay, If you don't get that, so what you do, you get to what you're gonna do now, 92 whatever. Okay, so you get this order number here. Okay, this is the guy paid. So once you're in there, you click on that. So in your orders, look at your recent orders. You click on that. There might be many, but now we're going to show you also a trick to see who is who. So here you can see this person sent even his numbers, send their email address and stuff. Good enough, I can call this person because he put the numbers. Now we managed to trace that and also put the email address. So now what we need to do here, we got to follow up and see what he bought. Look, he bought a mirror here and flat rates. Then we put 100 rand, which is was gonna be the shipping money amount. So this order, we know that this person bought that. So, and the order was processed, but PayFast here in WooCommerce, we see that the order was not processed. So if you get the order number, here's the order number, you copy that order number, and also you know the names. This is the name, the person's name, all this information you need it. You go to PayFast and say PayFast. I'm gonna log in, then I'll come back. Also on PayPal you can do the same thing and log in. I'm gonna log in the site and I say okay. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna come to you and you can see the order here. The order was paid by the same name. You can see this is the same name. The order number is 697, which is the same here. If we can compare 697, so this is the person who bought the stuff, and the date was 23 of September. You can see if you compare the two, the names are matching. See, these are the names. The date is 23 of September, which is matching also. After matching all of those details, you know that okay, this is the person who did this. So you, since you clicked on the order and you can see all, let me see, we can put your order to completed on hold processing and pending payments. I'm gonna say on hold, or I can say processing, or I'll say completed. So I'll say completed. I'll say okay, please enter one or more characters. Okay, so once we're done with that, I'm gonna update to say the order was completed. So if I say order completed, I wonder if I'm gonna get any email. So once I'm done with that, so I copy the information from this person and I paste it somewhere. Then I'm gonna send an email to this person, and I also phone this person and tell them, look, your order is like this, like this. If I have the stock, I'm gonna tell the person your order is gonna be at your place at this time on this day. But if I don't have the stock, I'm gonna tell the customer, are you willing to wait for 2 weeks? I receive stock from China, or are you willing to be refunded anytime you want? If the customer say he wants his refund, there's no reason why you don't pay, even if you got charged by the payment gateway. It was not the customer's problem, but it was your problem. So once you go to your orders, even if the order is cancelled, so that simply means you can still make it passed through. But some which says cancelled, they are cancelled for sure, because once the payment gateway wants to verify 3 times, some people, they don't have those patience, that kind of patience to wait for you, to wait for that something which doesn't work like instantly. So that's the only problem. Let me come, guys, 1 minute. I'm sorry about that. So there was some small emergencies. So what you have to do, you have to know how much you've lost and avoid that loss in by all means necessary. So guys, that's the way you see who bought your order, who bought the what, the who purchased the stuff. So call them or send them the item. But now the problem we find is they say, you see this one, I just put it in completed because it was cancelled, showed cancelled. This person also tried to buy something, but now the order was cancelled. So this, what happens is, like, we're going to do what, this person is in Eastern Cape. He was trying to now we're gonna see what did he try to buy. Here down, he tried to buy this and this. So was trying to buy 2 items here, and this did not go through. So we're gonna call this person and we try to make his order go through. So now guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. There is a lot of things we have to know about WooCommerce. We're gonna do a lot of also what they say, tutorials on many things and problems we find. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.